The 9-inch Android car radio is tailor-made for Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 1999 to 2004, ensuring a seamless fit and straightforward installation. Equipped with a robust 4-core processor and ample memory, this car stereo runs on the latest Android system, offering smooth performance and access to a wide array of applications. The device supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to effortlessly integrate their smartphones for hands-free calls and navigation. With a high-definition touchscreen covered by 2.5D tempered glass, the radio is not only visually striking, but also resistant to scratches. This versatile unit offers a multitude of functions including Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and replaceable user interface themes, enhancing the driving experience. Exceptional customer support is provided around the clock, alongside a generous 30-day money-back guarantee and 24 months of after-sales service.